Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone with an HVAC system, why compressors fail and how you can prevent it. You see, a lot of folks think of their HVAC system like it's some magical box in the basement, out of sight, out of mind. But let me tell you, neglecting this crucial part of your home can lead to some seriously uncomfortable and expensive problems. A failed compressor is like the heart of your system giving out. It's often a death sentence for the whole unit, and replacing it? Let's just say it's not a bill you want to be surprised with. But fear not, my friends, with the right knowledge, you can avoid this common issue and keep your cool for years to come. We're talking about preventative maintenance, folks. Just like you wouldn't drive your car for 100,000 miles without an oil change, your HVAC system needs regular attention to catch small problems before they become big headaches. So let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of why compressors fail and how to keep yours humming along. Just like any hard-working system, your HVAC needs regular TLC to keep it running in tip-top shape. I'm talking about scheduled maintenance, folks, not just waiting for something to break down in the middle of a heat wave. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend a little now to keep things running smoothly, or a whole lot later when everything goes haywire? A good HVAC technician will check everything from your refrigerant levels to the electrical connections, making sure there are no leaks, blockages, or worn-out parts just waiting to cause trouble. They'll clean your coils, check your filters, and test your system to make sure it's performing at peak efficiency. This not only prevents breakdowns but can also extend the lifespan of your system and save you money on energy bills in the long run. Remember, folks, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Get those regular checkups scheduled and keep your HVAC system happy and healthy. Let's talk about those coils, folks. You see, those coils are responsible for transferring heat, and when they get caked with dirt, dust, and debris, it's like trying to breathe through a clogged air filter. Your system has to work harder and harder to do its job, putting a huge strain on the compressor. Over time, this constant overexertion can lead to overheating, reduced efficiency, and ultimately, compressor failure. Think of it like this. If you keep running a marathon without a break, eventually, your body's going to give out. It's the same principle here. So, how do you prevent this? Regular cleaning. Depending on your environment, you might need to clean your coils every few months, or at least annually. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. A little elbow grease goes a long way. Trust me, your compressor will thank you for it. Now let's talk about the electrical side of things, because when it comes to HVAC systems, faulty wiring is a recipe for disaster. We're talking about potential fire hazards, system malfunctions, and you guessed it, compressor failure. A compressor relies on a steady supply of electricity to function properly. Loose connections, frayed wires, or faulty electrical components can disrupt this flow, causing the compressor to work erratically or even burn out completely. That's why it's crucial to have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician, especially if your system is older. Don't try to be a hero and tackle this yourself unless you're confident in your abilities. Remember, electricity is nothing to mess around with. Refrigerant. It's the lifeblood of your HVAC system, and just like you need the right amount of blood flowing through your body, your system needs the right amount of refrigerant to function properly. Too little, and your system can't absorb enough heat, putting extra strain on the compressor. Too much and the pressure builds up, potentially causing leaks or even a catastrophic compressor failure. Now, refrigerant doesn't just magically disappear. If your levels are off, there's a leak somewhere, and that's a job for a qualified technician. They have the tools and expertise to find and repair leaks, ensuring your system has the optimal amount of refrigerant flowing through it. Remember, folks, refrigerant leaks are not a DIY project. Call in the pros, get it fixed right, and keep your compressor humming happily. We've talked about maintenance, cleaning, and electrical issues, but there's one crucial factor that can make or break your HVAC system from day one: proper installation and sizing. You see, an HVAC system that's too small for your home will constantly struggle to keep up, putting excessive strain on the compressor. And a system that's too large will short cycle, leading to inefficient operation and premature wear and tear. That's why it's essential to hire a reputable HVAC contractor who will perform a proper load calculation, taking into account factors like your home's size, insulation, and climate zone to determine the right system for your needs. Don't cut corners on this, folks. A quality installation might cost a bit more upfront, but it will save you headaches and expensive repairs down the line. Remember, a properly installed and sized HVAC system is a happy system, and a happy system means a happy compressor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your HVAC system in top shape. We're here to empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your home and avoid those costly repair bills. Stay tuned for more informative content, and remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in preventing costly repairs. Don't let compressor failure catch you off guard. Be proactive, take care of your HVAC system, and enjoy years of cool, comfortable living. Until next time, stay cool, my friends.